Good morning, dear students. We are doing conjunctions. In last video, we have learned about that what is a conjunction. Let's revise. A conjunction is a word that joins two words, two sentences, or two phrases together. Conjunctions are called connectors. We have done and but conjunctions. Let's revise. We use and to join two words or sentences expressing similar ideas. We use but to join contrasting words or sentences. The words which have a contrast, we use but conjunction. For example, Rohit is good at volleyball. He is also good at cricket. We are talking about Rohit in both of the sentences. That's why we will say Rohit is good at volleyball and cricket. We will not repeat he is also because we are talking about Rohit in both of the sentences. That's why we will take the sentence like it. Rohit is good at volleyball and cricket. We played well. We lost the match. Look here, if a person plays well, it is definitely he will win the match. But here in this sentence, we are saying we played well, we lost the match. Here is contrast. We played well but lost the match. We will not repeat we because we are joining the sentence. Some more examples. Hari and Ram are brothers. 2 and 2 makes 4. Ajay is good batsman. Virat is a good batsman. Now, same ideas are here, same qualities are here that Ajay is also good and Virat is also good. That's why we will join this sentence like it. Ajay and Virat are good batsmen. The man is poor, the man is honest. Here are contrast between the qualities because poor man, although he is poor, yet he is honest. Here is contrast. That's why we will write this sentence like it. The man is poor but honest. The soup is hot but very tasty. Here is also contrast. The soup is hot but very tasty. Now let's learn about conjunction because. We use because to explain the cause or reason of something. For example, Nishi was happy because she won the painting contest. Why Nishi was happy? The reason is she won the painting contest. That's why we have used here because conjunction. Nishi was happy because she won the painting contest. Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early. Here is also reason why does she get up early? Because she goes to bed early. Annie gets up early because she goes to bed early.